Enough gloom. We need to talk about the companies that are winning in China. Yeah, you heard me right, winning. Look, I know it sounds crazy. Our government's relations with China are rapidly deteriorating. President Trump seems to want it that way. I think the big unstated goal of our negotiations with the Chinese is to force them to make an agreement that they can't live up to, that nevertheless gives American companies more time to get out of the People's Republic. As China once again makes a bunch of theoretical commitments and then buys nothing, I suspect the president will very soon accelerate the tariffs in order to make it look like he's been taken advantage of once again. Remember, we've been through this before. It's how things unfolded after the talks in Argentina. The free traders make their gains. Steve Mnuchin, Treasury Secretary Larry Kudlow, the president's chief economic advisor. Then the Chinese government disappoints, and the hardliners in the White House get to say, Mr. President, I told you so. That's why I think the trade war is only going to get worse before it gets better. Yet the strangest thing's happening right now. Do you know we're discovering some real winners in China? Some American companies that have worked their way into the heart of Chinese commerce in spite of the trade war. Which companies? Let's start with a real fave. Let's start with PayPal. PayPal reported a tour de force quarter last night. Dan Schulman, the CEO, he shocked the analyst community, revealing that PayPal was able to conquer the world's largest and fastest growing payments market by acquiring 70% of GoPro back in September. I'm sorry, GoPlay, not GoPro for heaven's sake. GoPro is what you wear on your head if you're a goat and you're on a surfboard. GoPay has licenses for online and mobile transactions in China, as well as industrial e-commerce. I want you to listen to what Schulman had to say. Quote, so first of all, obviously, it's an incredibly meaningful event to be the first non-Chinese company to obtain a payments license to process domestic online payments in China, end quote. Then he continues, we have been working on this diligently for years. When I say diligent, I mean literally almost every single day, and have calls and have been working on this. And we work quite closely with the PBOC, with other authorities inside of China. We work with the administration here to enable all this to happen, end quote. Ha! A roadmap, a blueprint even. Basically, PayPal told us how American companies can crack into China. 1, work closely with the regulators. 2, invest quite heavily in compliance and risk management. 3, be a strong collaborator with the financial system rather than trying to disrupt it. 4, be innovative, but within the existing structure. And 5, offer a differentiated value proposition to both Chinese merchants and consumers by working closely with existing Chinese financial institutions. Now, Dan had to do it this way. He had to, because China is the world's largest e-commerce market with 500 million online shoppers, generating $2 trillion in online sales. That's more than half of the online retail market worldwide. Yes, he had to play ball, but play ball he did. In short, American companies can still break into the gigantic Chinese market, even in this environment. But they got to play by the rules. We saw something last night similar from Tesla. When the company reported a surprise profit, Tesla revealed that it built a new gigafactory in China over the course of 10 months, clearly with the support of the government. Source there, build there, hire there. It can come together. Who else is winning in China? Lam Research. The giant semiconductor equipment maker I talked about at the top of the show. It saw a nice expansion in the PRC. Their machines are a must-buy in China if local semiconductor companies want to build out their 5G capacity. Again, the key here is surprisingly simple. If you want to do business in China, even in this time of strife, you need to hire a lot of people in China, work with the government, play by the rules, and be indispensable when it comes to making new proprietary technology. Maybe that's not what the government wants, but it's the way to do it. I wish there were more ways, though. I wish it was about China buying planes from Boeing or soybeans from our farmers. But these companies are working, at least for the moment, although they could change at any time with a simple tweet from the President of the United States. Stay with Cramer.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.